Okay, we just arrived at waterfall. We come every Saturday to feed our 5 dogs. There's Growler. Here's Furball, Shy, and Fatty. And what's the white one called again? Cow, that's right.
He's not Shy, look.
He's fat. No, this is Shy. Used to be Shy. But now they let us pet him. See? Right, Shy? Yeah, see that? So we usually come up and throw food on the ground for him, but today we're portioning it out, and we want to see how well behaved they do this. So if they behave, so I'll grab 2 bowls, you grab 2, Katie. Go in and grab a bowl.
Yep.
And we're gonna put them down, one for each. No, over there.
You give one for $1.
Okay. There's one for you. There's one for you. Come on, hurry up before they start fighting. Come on, it's okay. Nobody's growling. They're all well behaved. This is a new experiment we're trying, as I said. Look at Furball. He's going to be the winner. So yeah, no fighting this way. They fight over the food that we throw on the ground. So here's Cow. How's he doing? That is weird. They take it out of the bowl.
Okay, I'm going to touch the food.
Oh, we got to clean up here, kid. We can meet you up there if you want.
No.
Don't fall in.
Sorry,
Don't fall in, kid. All right, so you get the idea, but these are our friends. And they're all in hiding. And then when they hear the engine, the Moriaki exhaust, they all come running out to the bike and jump up and down with joy. Okay, you share.
Oh, you first. Hey.
No, that's his. Come on, get out of the way.
See?
Get out of the way, see? No.
See, he being bad.
No,
You being bad.
you bad dog.
Clean up your bowl.
Yeah, you.
See?
You got to share, okay? That's the whole process, the social test we're doing here, Furball, okay? You understand?
It looked like it's stuck in his throat. I saw him. He's doing.
Okay, we'll give him mouth to mouth. He's okay. He's okay.
Done.
Yep, that's all you get. No barking, okay?
No?
All right, you get the idea. All right. Govinda's over there playing. Katie and I are enjoying the company of the dogs. Here's one.
Oh man, look at it, so clear.
So,
Sky.
this is Shy, Growler, Furball, Fatty keeping an eye on us, Cow. Cow eventually made it down, so that's good. Right, Shy? Huh? Right, Shy? Yeah. Well, they're just waiting for any possible leftovers from our soon-to-be finished picnic that Katie put together for us today. Anything you got to say, Furball?
I want more chicken.
All right. Over and out. Cow Waterfalls. How far is it from our house, Katie?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Over and out. Beautiful day in Chiang Mai today. Every Saturday we come up here to take care of these dogs. Okay.